Tired of alt-tabbing to play YouTube videos during your presentation? Yeah, me too. It breaks your flow, it looks unprofessional, and honestly, it just feels awkward. But here's the good news. You can embed them directly into Google Slides in under 30 seconds. No more fumbling with separate tabs, no more broken links. Just a smooth click and your video plays right on the slide. Here's the exact 4-step process to add any YouTube video to your slide. No broken links and no awkward pauses. And this comes from everything we've tested here at AI Mastery. We build these workflows so you can look polished and prepared without the headache. All right, let's start with the Insert menu. So you've got your slide open and you know exactly where you want that video to go. Up at the top of Google Slides, you'll see the menu bar. Click on the word Insert. This is your gateway to adding anything that isn't just text on a slide. Images, shapes, charts, and of course, videos. I always tell people to do this before you start moving things around on the slide. Get the Insert menu open first, and then you can worry about placement. So now that you've clicked Insert, you'll see a drop-down with a bunch of options. Scroll down until you see the word Video. Click that. This is the dedicated tool for pulling in YouTube content. Google Slides handles this really well because it's built right into the system. You are not uploading a video file here. You are essentially linking to YouTube, which keeps your presentation file size nice and small. So just go ahead and click Video. Now this is where you have 2 ways to add a video, and I want you to pick the one that fits your situation. You see that search bar? You can either search YouTube directly from inside Google Slides. Just type in a keyword, like the title of a tutorial or a clip you remember. It will pull up results right there. Or you can paste a YouTube link. I personally use the link method most of the time, especially if I already have the video open in another tab. Just copy the URL from your browser, come back to Google Slides, and paste it into the By URL tab. Super fast, and it guarantees you get the exact video you want. Once you search or paste that link, you will see a list of results or a single video card appear. Take a moment to pick the right one. Make sure the title and the thumbnail match what you actually want to play. I have definitely grabbed the wrong video before because I was rushing. It happens. Just click on the video thumbnail to select it. You will see a blue check mark appear on it. That is confirmation you have chosen the correct one. And here is the final step. Look at the bottom of that window and click the blue Insert button. That is it. Google Slides will drop the video right onto your slide. You can then click and drag it to resize it or move it to wherever looks best. And here is a pro tip I love. When you present, you do not have to click the video with 2 separate clicks. Just hover over it and click once. It will play automatically. No awkward double-clicking or hunting for a play button. So there you go. You just embedded a YouTube video directly into your slide in about 30 seconds. Your presentations are going to feel so much smoother now. No more tab switching, no more lost momentum. If this helped, remember, we are always building out these kinds of practical workflows here at AI Mastery. Give it a try in your next slide deck and see how much easier your flow becomes.